A magazine printed photos of 3 celebrities along with 3 baby photos of those same celebrities. But the baby photos were not labeled. A reader randomly guesses which baby photo goes with each celebrity. What is the probability that all 3 are matched correctly? The choices are 1/9, 1/6, 1/4, 1/3, and 1/2. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's think about how many ways there are to match the baby photos to the celebrities. Call the celebrities 1, 2, and 3. The first celebrity can be matched to any of the 3 baby photos. That leaves 2 baby photos for the second celebrity. And the last baby photo goes to the third celebrity. So there are 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6, equally likely matchings. Here are all 6 matchings. Each one is equally likely, but only one of them matches every celebrity to their own baby photo. That is the matching where 1 goes with 1, 2 goes with 2, and 3 goes with 3. All the other 5 matchings get at least 1 wrong. So exactly 1 out of the 6 equally likely matchings is fully correct. The probability that the reader guesses all 3 correctly is 1 out of 6. Which is answer choice B.